Fox here again. We're heading on Brandon Hill here in Montego Bay. It's the Boxing Day special. Thanks for joining in. Look at this beautiful sea view as we're about 2 minutes out of the town center of Montego Bay. How is everyone doing? Thank you so much. That's Funtopia, a new little amusement park that we just passed on the right. There's a Hosanna Prep School here as well. How is everyone doing? Thank you so much for joining in. Let me know who's watching the video and where you're watching from on this or Boxing Day special. Again, I'm so thankful for the support that I have received on this channel. Remember now that after Melissa, a lot of the trees here went down. So all of that sea view is coming into view for the first time. You know, it's so beautiful, man. You get to see areas that you would not normally see. Beautiful. So how is your Boxing Day? How is everyone's Boxing Day? Let me know what the experience is like. Just taking it easy here in Jamaica. The sun is out. It's a bit windy. It was a bit windy earlier. We didn't get any rains. But this is Boxing Day 2025. Brandon Hill. Let's head down now on Brandon Hill. Look at the view. Straight over there we can see what's that, Harbor City. Let me wait before I go around this vehicle. It's just beautiful. Let's go. Montego Bay High School is that yellow building on the left. Across the road there, building, I heard it was some big apartment high-rise that will be going up. They haven't started it as yet. The National Housing Trust is the blue building on the right. And straight ahead is the Overton Plaza there on the left. Such a beautiful day. A lot of the places are closed, so you don't see a lot of people. That's Della Penna Funeral Home on the left. There are not a lot of people on the road. Let me take it from this side to show you what's going on. We'll be passing the Sam Sharp Square. Oh, what's happening right here? Wow. This is East Street that we're on, and we're going to turn now on Market Street. Let's go. That building here is damaged. A lot of old buildings still in certain areas of Montego Bay. Really run down, you know. Again, we're trying to lobby or some way we can get the message to the municipal authorities. Listen, man, every 5 years persons need to, renovate or to repaint their building. Everybody has to be responsible for the upkeep and the look of Montego Bay. Yeah, man. Alright, so that's Ole Supermarket on the right. And we're going down. We can see Sam Sharp Square now coming into view. And the fountain is up. Let me stop here. We got the red light. Alright, we got the green light. Let's go. The vendors are out, This is the heart of Montego Bay, Sam Sharp Square and St. James Street. So vendors lining the streets here along the Scotiabank vicinity. More sellers than buyers as was the case yesterday. Yeah, man. Look how beautiful Sam Sharp Square is. Alright, let's go. The police are there as well. Lovely area for you to take your photos there on the right. Just beautiful. So this is what Boxing Day looks like in Montego Bay. Yeah, this is what it looks like, man. Look at that. The hand carts. Everybody out with their hand carts. Mannequins along the street side. Let me know if you're watching from another town in Jamaica. Let me know how was Grand Market in your town. Wait, they have Grand Market overseas? Do other Caribbean countries have Grand Markets? Or other countries in general have Grand Markets? Is this a Jamaican thing? I don't know. I'm ignorant to that fact. Somebody please let me know in the comments. So this is St. James Street that we're on. This man with this generator on the cart, what he's selling? Looks like it's a popcorn. Yeah, he has popcorn. Everybody's getting innovative. That's arcade there on the right. Garbage truck blocking the little intersection here. As we head now onto Barnett Street. That's Quartz in front of us. Yeah, man. Long time I haven't been this side. Across there. Oh, that's the fire station there on the left. Alright, let me go in this lane. Oh, the police are there working. Nice. Alright, so Pier 1. Where you see the boats docked there, straight ahead, that's Pier 1. Somebody parasailing there. Relatively quiet Boxing Day. That's Harbour City shopping mall to the left there. Lovely, trust me, Harbour City shopping mall is one of the best things to happen to Montego Bay. Big up to the developers for having the vision. Alright, let's go straight across here. Alright, so we are now going to turn to the Bay West area. We're going to make the next left turn. So this is Bay West. Why can't I remember the name of this street? Is this Harbour Street? Yes, correct. Just my mind just glitched out a while ago. So this is Harbour Street that we're on. And Union Street is to our left. Yeah, a lot of the street signs were damaged, you know. Yeah. Chill on into Montego Bay. Ah, KFC. Everybody know KFC in Montego Bay. At one point, I believe this KFC was the highest earning KFC in the Caribbean. Can you believe that? Americans just love KFC. What they put in the chicken. Let's go on the World Cup Boulevard before the light change. And let's switch lanes. By the way, I want some ideas for what do you want to see live? Give me some ideas, some things that you want to see live in Montego Bay. I'm trying to come up with some ideas for a live video. Let me know in the comments, alright? Come on, we appreciate your suggestion. Also, Super Chat is open. Yes, the Super Chat feature is open. Let's make the right turn here. You can send your gifts via Super Chat. So Harbour City Mall is to the right here. Look at this. This is what I was telling you is the best thing to happen to Montego Bay, man. Harbour City. Look how beautiful this Chinese themed, yes, it's Chinese themed development is. Very beautiful. Beautiful development. Let's see if we can park. The way it's set up, solar lights, you know. There's also residential areas here as well, you know. Yeah man, persons live. Alright, there are some apartments here on Harbour City. At the back there with the lovely sea view. My. I envy that view, man. That view. I'm telling you. Just beautiful. Yeah, man. Beautiful place. When they have the Chinese New Year celebration, you see the decorations here at night time, especially tonight. The lighting will be just spectacular. Harbour City is one of the best things to happen to Montego Bay. Thank you so much for joining in. Trust me man, I appreciate the support on the channel. Remember to subscribe and like the video, showing you the best of Jamaica, one location at a time. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.